just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey you guys, it's Nikki and it is currently 1 a.m. and I'm gonna clean my room because it needs cleaning. Excuse my pajamas. And I threw on makeup for this video though. I showered, not specifically for this video, just because I needed to shower for the first time in like 3 days. Welcome to blonde hair. No, I don't think this. I think this will go up after a different video. But if not, this is the first video with my blonde hair. If not, I just look stupid and like 2 or 3 videos have gone up. But guess what? I have platinum hair now, not brown hair anymore. That's a change. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of like a how-to, kind of like a just clean it with me, kind of like see how disgusting I am. I had a try. Oh, there it is. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with a trash bag and throw away all of the cups and stuff. Red Solo cup, McDonald's frappe. I didn't have a party. I just never have throw anything away. Okay, that's the trash I see on the floor. Now, because, oh my god, I have such bad acid reflux right now. First things first, I need a thumbnail. Okay, great thumbnail. I have a couch for a bed, so it gets really cluttered around here. My cat is so cute. Kitty! Kitty! He's really over everything about me right now. I don't get all my mess in one shot here. If you haven't seen it yet, go to Dank TV. It'll be linked up here. Me and Daniel and Kaylee did the 24-hour challenge. And it's got 24 minutes before it's uploaded. But guess what? It's going to be uploaded for several days before you see this. Out of breath already. This is just trash. I'm just going to set it at the door. Oh my god, so many cords. So, earphone number 1. Earphones number 2. Number 3. These all suck. I need good earphones. I edit constantly. Quick storage tip if you're using your couch as a bed. You can just slide your pillows underneath your bed. There's more under there. Look, and it's a couch again. Oh my god. Projects. This one that I started at the beginning of the year, never finished, and I have this one that I started. My art teacher loves me. By the way, Prismacolors. If you are in art and you love colored pencils, get Prismacolors.
I can't see the end of this, just wanna feel your kiss.
My girl in my red Mercedes, attitude.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should.
So my new $5 from the Dollar General marble shelves are hung. Most pretty, most prized makeup packages are on there. So right there is the huge Sugar Plum Fun palette from Too Faced. Then I have the Too Faced Best Year Ever 2018, like 3-set palette. Then my Michael Kors Sexy Blossom perfume. That's the only non-makeup thing, but it's still beauty. Down here is my Alice in Wonderland Alice in the Looking Glass palette. This is probably my most prized possession ever. Probably second is the Too Faced, the Power Makeup palette, the Nikki Tutorials collaboration. I got that before it sold out. And I really like, this is the Lisa Frank collection eyeshadow. Okay, I'm done, so I'll just do a quick little spin. The new shelves. Look, I can see my entire floor. Everything's hung up. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe. By the way, it literally just turned 3 a.m. It wouldn't have taken me 2 hours to clean them if I didn't hang those shelves, but those shelves are freaking cute, so I'm glad I did them. Only $5. So yeah, love you guys so much and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though